So these are the covers for our battery compartment and the base platforms which our fridges are going to sit on in the fridge compartment. Now I forgot my measurements. 40 and 138.
What's Daddy doing, Oscar?
House. That one don't have a thing. So it fits. This one actually fits. I go through and fits. It actually fits. Micro! Oh, look!
I found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Found it! Micro! A micro now.
Yeah, no. Wrong size.
I love you, Mama.
I love you, Baba.
I love you so much, Mama.
I love you so much, Oscar.
6.29. 3.11.
When come and come off like this. You see me?
Yes, I saw you.
And when
Oh,
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, Baba.
I made a baby carrier now. It's gonna be just fix that in there and can drive it around. I got it. There we go. Mom. There we go. Mom. 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 Mom.
Yeah.
I want away at the ocean. Let's see you guys. That's my big on top.
You're a weirdo.
I don't know where it's Mama. Hi, Mom. Hi, Grandma. I love you.
Oh, woohoo! That's cool.
And all I gotta do is join them up with the router. Alright, quick.
Yeah. You must have got quite a long way down with that one.
Too far.
That beautiful.
Nice hole.
Makes beautiful holes.
Yeah. Mighty good cutter. Push up a minute on the...
You're going to cut that off, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. That went spinning.
Even closer to the edge. Yep, that's close. Just hope these are big enough for those gland nuts. Snapped it.
Lovely.
Something like that.
Did you get a splinter?
No.
I still haven't finished it because...
Oh, it goes.
What's the holes for?
Oh, the holes, 240 volt electrical, and some of the power that needs to go through the deck to the underside of the truck. We're planning to maybe have a generator, so we'll need a generator feed to come through. We need the 16 amp 240 volt for house power when we're at a campground or at a friend's house, and that will end up as a handhold for being able to lift the panels out. They just drop in place and sit on some 50 by 50 angle. That one up. Happy with that?
That's good.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, right? Right, let's have another go. Yep,
Did that do it?
super. So get that. Could have left well enough alone, dude. So 50 mil it is, hun. No, just on the end. Just on the end.
You don't want it there.
I can't have it there.
Can you get it just here?
No, I said put it on.
Both of them there.
Yep, that's fine.
That's nice.
Wash the bird poo off, it'll be fine. Hey.
I'll go clean the bird poo off and you can finish off this one. Okay? Morning, darling.
Morning. How are we?
Good. Are you going to tell us what you're doing?
I'm just putting a coat of polyurethane on the edges so that they're a bit watertight. Then I'm going to start putting the structure in to support them. What? This supports for the lid of the battery boxes and the shelf for our fridge. I've got one in. I'm just looking at positioning the other. Somewhere back there.
Is that the right one?
No.
You were going to put holes in it.
Yep, that's not the right one. But hey, I'm not perfect.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the one that has the holes in it.
Okay, right.
Yeah, they were
Might
done
be-
with the step through, but I haven't got.
Yeah, that might be to try and fit that one. Why has it got holes?
Because our 240 volt has got to come through.
So that lines up with the gap on the top of the shelf.
Yeah,
On the shelf.
and then the electrical cables.
Okay, all good. Get that one
I
in.
just realised I've got a line.
You did?
Yeah,
Oh, perfect.
it may be easier to use the line.
That's scary. Like and subscribe.